I'm doc. Good morning. How's everybody today? Okay, anyways, I slept in a little bit this morning, so I'm gonna run a little late. It's almost 10 o'clock. I've had my coffee, did some video work. I got to get another one going quickly. Anyways, I would show you around here, but I was asked by the host at this particular location not to. He insisted that I keep his privacy intact, and I'm good. I'm great with that. I'm fine with that. No problem with that whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is just tell you a little bit about it. It's two lots together on a really nice river just south of Peterborough. There's docks, there's swimming, there's an outdoor shower. We have a lot in common, him and I. He's into cars. He's got an old 52 pickup truck. Very, very nice people. Gave me power for free, which is nice, always, definitely. So I had the opportunity to charge up some of my devices because I'm in the shade. I really needed that power because my solar is, it doesn't work as well when I'm in the shade, obviously. I do need to get lithium batteries, like pronto, soon. So anywho, I'm going to get packed up, going to head into Peterborough. I think I'm really only about half an hour away from my next location. My next location will be a farm where I'm encouraged to purchase $30 worth of stuff. So the problem with that is it's all produce. I don't eat produce. Okay, I'm going to take off. I might go into Costco in Peterborough before I head to the next location. The next location isn't exactly in Peterborough, but I got to get gas. I know for a fact I'm not getting any power, so I have to run my generator. It's already 28 degrees and it's going up to 34 today. So what's that, 90, 95, something like that? So I'm going to be running my generator, maybe to get a little bit of AC for a while. And yeah, I mean, this was a great spot. I really enjoyed it, you know, right by a river, beautiful. There's a little beach here. There's, you know, kayaks. There's an outdoor shower, which I didn't get a chance to use, unfortunately. But very nice, you know. A little disappointed that he was insisting that I don't video this place. So I respect that. I do. I do. But it's so gorgeous. I don't know why he wouldn't want to share it. But he's got his reasons, and that's fine. That's good. But anyway, we're off to the next location. We've got maybe four or five left, I think. Let's go get it. You know what? I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to go to Peterborough. I realize it's not where I'm heading. I'm going to go to a place called Pontypool, Ontario. It's actually quite close to Oshawa, where I lived for many years, and it's in the opposite direction, you know, to where I need to go, to where I want to go. So I'm just going to go on. I do have it punched into I'm going to get some gas. Okay, we should be here somewhere. I think this is it. Oak Springs Farm. We're home. Well, at least for tonight. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. Ooh, it's big. Oh, I think this is my host right here. Okay, she gave me a couple of options, and I think I'm going to be right here on the pavement or on the gravel. Nice, nice, eh? Okay, okay. She says just turn around and park right there. So I'm just going to go here and turn around. I'm going to go in here and see if there's, like, I need butter. Butter and maybe some cream. They don't really have cream. Well, they do have half a pint. Well, there were horses here earlier. Oh, they're down eating the hay. Okay, check this out. The real light colored one, her name is Dee. Oh, there's two light colored ones. Cool, huh? Very cute. Hi, guys. You're looking over, seeing who that is. It's just me. Oh, and they got their own little pond over there, too. Look. This is a wedding venue. They throw weddings here. So it's usually very well landscaped and very pretty. There's the main house up there. And it looks like they got some vines going here too as well. Very nice, eh? And it is a farm. It's a working farm. There's 75 acres here. So I don't know if you call that a hobby farm or what do you call that? Got a little fire pit there with seats and a stoker and another harvest host or guest, I guess you call it. And I am going to swing on the swings. I haven't done this in about, I don't know, 50 years maybe? No, I wouldn't say it's that long. Woo! This is pretty cool. Can't do it one-handed though. This is a big place. More barbecues in this building. So that's as far as I dare go, uninvited. I wish the horses would come back over, but they're eating, they're having dinner. Aren't they gorgeous though? And there's a chicken coop here too, somewhere, I don't know where it is, but. And this is where I'm set up. So I got lots of solar. No power, but that's okay. Got my little Jenny there. Pretty well set up. Very level. Very nice. They invited me for burgers. I don't know what time. I should probably text her and find out. See if the invitation's still on. But if not, I have leftovers from last night. Look at this. This is impressive. Oh, there's one horse over here. Oh, he's behind the hay bale. He's munching. Oh, sorry, it's a she. And the other two are in the back there in the shade. Awesome, eh? Love it. They must love it here. Holy moly, look at this. To have all this. Wow. Good morning. Well, I slept in last night. It was raining. I always sleep in when it rains. Yeah, so I'm going to take off pretty soon. So yeah, I'll be leaving Oak Springs Farm in Pontypool, Ontario this morning. And a little bit of, some things have happened. So I've had a cancellation at one of the places. They can't accommodate me on those dates and I couldn't find a replacement. So I did manage to go back to Jim Bob. That's the first stop that we had, was at Rice Lake. So let's do that. Let's do that instead. Go there for 2 days and then continue on the tour. I'm not going to film it. I'll just come back in 2 days because we've already covered that spot. That's the one by the reservation. So we'll go back there, enjoy some time with Jim Bob. I've got my guitar. He's a guitar player and a bass player and everything player. He plays it all. And then just move on the tour, because I think we have, 3 more stops on this tour. Anyways, let's go get it. I'm going to time myself getting packed up. It's a little game I've been doing lately, for sure. Hey, she's here. I'm going to say bye. Oh, she's on the phone. Okay, I'll wait. I just said goodbye. And this was amazing. This was a 10 out of 10 with the horses and the farm and the lovely company, amazing conversation, unbelievable. Yeah, I really enjoyed this one. I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10, and I would definitely come back, if I'm welcome. I mean, they invited me for dinner. There was 2 of us from Harvest Hosts, and we had a barbecue with, I didn't eat the corn, but hamburgers and beer. I mean, it's like the trail. It's pretty badass.